Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to Sufa English High School. Today we will see the topic of degree. We all know that degree is most important in English grammar. If you want to understand the degree, so let us stay with this video. Okay, in this video we will see the three types of degree. First, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The degree stand for to give information about two person and many person. Okay, the very necessary part in degree is adjective, so you should give focus on adjective and what kinds of word can we use in degree, how we can understand it better, how we can convert the degree in one degree to another degree. Okay, for example, what types of word can be used in positive degree, in comparative degree and in superlative degree. Okay, boys and girls. So first of all, we should know that what kinds of words are used in positive degree. So it is very easy to understand a positive degree. In positive degree, we will use only as. In the middle of as we will use adjective. Okay, and in comparative degree we will use their er than. Okay, er than, and before er we will use their adjective. Okay, after adjective you have to be add er with adjective and then immediately use than. So this is the pattern of comparative degree. And in superlative degree we will use first adjective and after adjective we will use ests, and before adjective use the and est. Okay, this is the pattern of superlative degree, comparative degree and positive degree. So first understand positive degree, how we can make positive degree. For example, there is a sentence: Ambani is as rich. For example, simple sentence, only simple sentence. Ambani is rich man. Okay, Ambani is rich man. It is a general information. What is Ambani here? It is a rich man. Okay, whenever we are comparing Ambani with another person, okay, we are comparing. So with the help of degree we can compare in which degree he is a rich. Okay, so you will use their degree. Degree extend toward the person, how he is rich, in which level he is a rich. So you will use their degree. Okay, degree of two person, degree of many person. So in first video we will understand degree of two person. Okay, let's see. Ambani is rich man. Here is a very simple sentence, but if I will use Ambani is as rich as Mukesh. Okay, Ambani is as rich as Mukesh. So here rich is adjective, before as and after as I used here. So this is a degree of positive. If I will convert this degree in comparative, so I will use their er and then. Okay, but there is a pattern for making comparative degree from this sentence. From this sentence, if you want to be make comparative degree, so you have to follow the rule: positive degree and comparative degree. So in comparative degree you have to use the last person use at the beginning. Mukesh is This is a positive sentence, so we have to be make it negative, not, because it is a two person of degree, Ambani and Mukesh. Whenever in a sentence two person are mentioned, so you will use their not if the not is not mentioned in sentence. Okay, here is a not, here is no use of not, so I use not in answer. Mukesh is not, so as I will remove, it is adjective, so with adjective we will use their er, so it become richer, and after richer I will use then. And which name is remain? Ambani, so we will use here Ambani. Okay, Ambani is as rich as Mukesh. The answer is Mukesh is not richer than Ambani. Okay, next sentence. Suppose the comparative degree is given. Ajay was not taller than Pooja. Okay, Ajay was not taller than Pooja. So this is the comparative degree. How you can determine it is the positive degree? Comparative degree. It is easy to show that here er and then. With the help of this indicator, we can easily identify the degree. So here er and then. So it is called comparative degree. So this is a two person of degree, Ajay and Pooja. When the two person are given in a sentence, so we have only one option. If comparative degree is given, we have option to make it in positive only. If a positive degree is given, then we can convert it in a positive degree. Means positive given, so we will convert in comparative. Comparative is given, then we will convert it positive degree. Okay, boys and girls, in two person cases only. So here we have a task to convert in positive. So in positive degree we will use Pooja first. Was, so can we use here not? No, we will not use here not in this sentence. Why? Because in the sentence, in our question, not are given, so we will not use not in a sentence. Okay, Pooja was as tall as Ajay. Okay, I hope do you understand. Ambani is rich man. It is an information. It is not a degree. It is only general information, but it is a degree. Ambani is as rich as Mukesh. Okay, so as show it is a positive degree, and it is a two person of degree. Here Ambani and Mukesh both name are given, so we have an option. It is, if it is positive degree, we have an option only to convert in comparative degree. So I converted in comparative like that. Mukesh we use at the beginning. Mukesh is, I use here not. Why? Because in a sentence there is no not, so I use here not. Okay, Mukesh is not richer than Ambani. Okay, and in second sentence it is a comparative degree. Ajay was not taller than Pooja. Here er and then are given, so with the help of this indicator we can easily say that it is a comparative degree. So we have only one option. If the comparative degree is given, so we have option to make it in positive degree. So I convert it in positive degree like that. Pooja I use at the beginning, and helping verb was, but here I didn't use not here. Why? Because the not is used in question. In answer we will not use not. Pooja was as tall as. We all know that in positive degree, before and after of adjective we will use as. Okay, and remove er and then. Pooja was as tall as Ajay. Okay, boys and girls, I hope do you understand this two degree, positive and comparative degree. Remember the note of this method. If you are making a degree, so you have to be observe first which types of degree are given. It is a very confusing topic, but if you will watch all the videos, inshallah your confusion will be gone fast. Okay, first you have to be see first degree, positive degree and comparative degree. Okay, the types of degree first, 2% of degree and all person of degree. So today we learn 2% of degree. 2% here means Ambani and Mukesh. Ambani and Mukesh. In this sentence there are two names only. So we have know that. So 2% of degree, how can we change it? So if the positive degree is given, we have option to change it in comparative. If comparative is given, we have option only to convert in positive degree. Okay, and how we can use? We all know that all the data of positive degree and comparative degree. Okay, remember one thing more guys. In place of er means some adjective did not be used er. Okay, so in place of this er we will use here before adjective more. Okay, before adjective we will use more. In which case, whenever there is a 3 syllables, okay, 3 syllables means rich, there is only 2 syllables, rich. In this rich adjective there are only 2 syllables. If there are more syllable in a adjective, so we will use there more instead of er. For example, you use here richer, okay. But if I say beautiful, beautiful, so in this sentence there are 4 syllables, so we will not use here er. Beautifuler, it's a wrong concept. So we will use here more beautiful. Okay, means different. Different is also adjective here. So different here are 3 syllables. So we will use here more different, not use er with different and beautiful. Okay, so remember this formula. Okay, boys and girls, so today we cover positive degree and comparative degree, how we can convert positive degree into comparative and comparative degree can be used in positive degree. And in next video we will see superlative degree, how we can use superlative degree in our sentences. So boys and girls, today we will next video we will learn a more thing. So yet then, assalamu alaikum.